Swing full day for both US crude and natural gas yesterday, achieving the highs at 71.8. US crude has shown a very good pullback. At the same time, natural gas has traded in a modest range, however, with a slight bearish bias as of now. So, what to expect? Which position you should take in order to profit trading US crude and natural gas? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Do watch till the end. First, we'll look into US crude and in the end, natural gas. Let's start. And before we proceed, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. As this is the first video, the next video on crude and natural gas will be released before the US session, and hence press the bell icon. You can also remain updated with the live market updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at crude on the hourly charts. First of all, this is the ceiling. This was the first channel on the hourly charts. And if you look at now, it has come till towards the bottom of this channel. Though once it breaks, as we have already discussed, that only bearishness now is below 69. That is very clear. But yes, if you see oil trading below 69.8, you can sell again for 69.4, 69.2 or 69 is the first resistance zone, and below that only further bearishness to prevail, and hence a sell entry is clear at 69.8. Now if you draw a broad channel, you will find 69 is definitely going to be a very good support. That is the case when you see it trading downside. Now look at the hourly chart. See, first of all, we have seen that the moving averages were trading with divergence. The prices were divergent from the moving average, and that is why we can see this convergence. Also, now the moving averages have converged, and hence right now it is trying to retrace on the upside. Above 70.5, we can again expect a little rise. How far? 70.7 and 71. These are the two critical levels, and as we have discussed several times earlier, 72 is the next critical zone. Beyond that only further bullishness, and then 74, the most important level, will be there. But let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD, now see, MACD on the hourly charts was trading with this flat belly on MACD, and now looking forward to converge and crossover. Let's see if it does crossover for a buy entry. RSI flat, and on the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. The divergence was there from the price, and now you can see the prices have converged till towards moving average. Very good support is seen from the 100 period moving average. Hence the sell entry is confirmed at 69.8. Below that 69.4 and 69 are two major support, and if it drops below 69, more bearishness is seen. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD is still bearish here. It is not yet converged or crossed over. RSI is flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at, now on the 3-hour chart, see bigger bearish candles here. There was a little swing. See, one important point to note is the pullback here is what we have seen. Now pullback from 69.7, the good support levels, and the prices failed to stay bearish there, and since then we have seen again a rise. Hence, and also we can see 70.5, 70.7 and 71 as the critical resistance level, and hence if you are taking a buy entry at 70.5, be very cautious and alert, and please put the stop loss at your entry price such that in case of a reversal or of a swing, your trade closes in at least without any loss. Now see, stochastic on the 3-hour charts is at bottom or oversold. But look at MACD. This has just crossed over a few candles back, and it is trading with a bearish bias. And if you look at the complete movement after forming the double bottom, lower highs here, and now looking downwards, and hence be watchful. RSI has also dropped, trading comfortable as of now, neither bullish nor bearish. Now coming to the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see couple of retracement candles. I'll wait for 70 or 69.8 levels to be breached. Why 69.8 is important, you can see here. Below 69.8 only further bearishness to prevail, where 69.4, 69 levels will be seen. Stochastic at bottom here also. But look at the crossover in MACD, trading with a little divergence, looking downward, slight bearish indication. RSI flat, and on the daily. Now on the daily charts, see here, lower highs again. Precisely the top here are very beautifully aligned, and a flat bottom. This is a squeeze here, narrowing triangle, a breakout. A breakout is what we will consider below 67, where you can expect 65 and 64. and then the crash could follow, but right now it is trading in zone. Second thing is it is not willing to give a breakout on the upside as well. 72, 74 levels are the strongest resistance. So first thing is lower highs are seen, flat bottom is seen, and it is still trading in range. Now next is, see, higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen, very much confined within the channel. I will wait for a breakout here. Also remember, the next candle on this chart is yet to start, that is today's candle. Hence, if you see it trading below 69.8, just you can go short. Be here to be watchful of 71 levels. Above 71, more bullishness to prevail. Stochastic is overbought. Look at MACD. This is crossed over 3 candles back and it is looking upwards as of now. RSI is also trading flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 70.5 and sell at 69.8. Till 71 on the upside, be careful, alert. Only above 71, you can expect little more rise till towards 71.6, 71.8 levels. And beyond 72, anyways, it's going to fly high. On the downside, till 69, be alert. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas, and before we proceed, just one update, you can join my mentorship batch 23rd starting on 10th of July. Only few seats are left. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategies in order to trade profitable. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for natural gas rather. You will find lower highs are seen, flat bottom is seen, support is seen here at 2.68, 2.67 levels, and ultimately 2.65 is a very good support. And also if you track the complete movement, it is showing big volatility. However, it is narrowing down. Hence, first I will recommend you to buy here at 2.7 itself, but then 2.72, 2.74 are the two major resistances, and then beyond that we may see it filling the gap here. This is very clear here. On the downside, below 2.68, yes, that is the point below which you can sell, but then 2.65 is the major support, and then 2.6 levels. Only below 2.6 further bearishness is going to be seen. Stochastic at comfortable zone trying to look downwards. MACD willing to cross over for a buy entry. RSI is flat, and on the 2-hour charts, you can see multiple candles getting the pullback from the downside. Very good indication that there is a very strong support, and hence till here we should not think of bearishness or a sell entry and a buy entry. As I said, you can buy at 2.7 also, but wait for 2.72 and 2.74 to be breached, only above which further bullishness will be seen. A stochastic flat, MACD trading bearish here with a very little divergence. RSI almost flat, and on the 3-hour chart, now look at 3-hour chart, there's a zone of consolidation. Let it give a breakout either which ways. Stochastic flat here, MACD modestly bearish, RSI is almost flat, and on the 4-hour, similar is the observation, consolidation going on. Stochastic flat here, MACD has just crossed over for a sell, but is still trading with modest bearish bias, almost flat you can say, and same with the RSI. Coming to the daily chart, now see on the daily charts also you can see higher lows, you can see lower highs, and wait for it to break past anyways beyond 2.65, where you can see or expect little bearishness. Also the new candle here is about to start on this chart. If it opens below, continue it's on the downside, trades below 2.65, you can just stay short. Further bearishness is going to be seen, and you can see a net gas to achieve 2.6 and 2.55 levels very soon. Now also on the daily charts is still rise retracement, trying to consolidate. It's still in the bullish channel, and hence first of all a rise beyond 2.76, 2.75 level is what you can say that it is trying to trade bullish, and any breakout about 2.8 is a very good confirmation that net gas is going to fly high. So for the day, I will recommend you to also, let's have a look at the stochastic on the daily charts. It's flat, but look at MACD. This is crossing over for a sell entry at a slightly higher levels. But if you look at the larger schema, it is still very much comfortable and can continue with the upward move. However, it has crossed over and hence little more bearishness. RSI looking down. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell natural gas today at 2.68. However, wait for 2.65 to be breached, and below 2.65 is where you will find more bearishness, and then 2.6 levels, and hence take your positions accordingly. On the upside, you can buy here at 2.72, expect 2.75, 2.8 as the next resistance zone. Beyond 2.8 is where more bulls to be seen there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch starting 10th of July. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.